Anglo-Continental is proud to present Explore Bournemouth, an exciting new interactive online program that gives inquisitive minds from all over the world the opportunity to experience the rich history, vibrant festivals, unforgettable nature, and welcoming people of Bournemouth, a major seaside resort town on the south coast of England, while you also learn English vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. The beauty of Explore Bournemouth is that you can do this from the comfort of your home, workplace, school, or university. We love Bournemouth and we love teaching English. So this new online English experience allows us to share our passion for Bournemouth, England, and teaching English with the world. What does a typical Explore Bournemouth episode include? A lesson lasts for around 2 hours with 2 10-minute breaks separating the program into 3 parts. As an example, let us use our English cooking time program that we recently released. In part 1, we introduce our students to the topic of our lesson. We start with an introduction of our lesson where they will get a chance to practice an English greeting, followed by an explanation of the lesson plan, a video exploring the topic filmed around Bournemouth so that students get a chance to explore our beautiful area and culture, a fun interactive activity with students to see what they've learned from the Explore Bournemouth video, an introduction of useful English grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. We end part 1 with a recap and preparation time for part 2, followed by a short 10-minute break. Part 2 is our learning phase of the lesson. Students have the opportunity to learn practical on-topic English vocabulary, as well as finding out more about Bournemouth and modern-day English culture. This part of the lesson includes an explanation of Part 2's lesson plan, which is followed by interactive learning such as quizzes, English conversation, and questions and answers, followed by a short 10-minute break. Part 3 is the experience phase of the lessons. In this part, our students now have the opportunity to try out what they've learned in the learning phase, interact with our host, learn English language, get useful English cultural tips, and practice what they have learnt. Finally, we all get to say goodbye in English, and students can now ask questions to the host so that they are satisfied they understand everything they have just learnt, experienced, and practiced. Anglo-Continental believes we have found the best online experience for people all over the world to learn English through local modern-day British culture, online activities, and clear, informed explanations. In an interactive online lesson, we bring together location, experience, food, and learning English for an immersive, fun experience. Join Anglo-Continental's Explore Bournemouth by contacting us directly or speaking to one of our partner agents.